Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter 7 of Moral Science. Education is important. Let us read the story of a prince who did not like studies. He enjoyed playing games. Okay, here one prince who did not like to study. Always he was enjoying in playing games. His father tried a lot to explain the importance of education, but he would not listen to anyone. वो किसी का बात नहीं मानता था. उसके पापा उसको बहुत समझाने की कोशिश किए, पर वो किसी का बात ही नहीं मानता था. ओके. The king announced a reward of 1,000 gold coins to the person who could educate his son. लास्ट में उसके पापा ने थक कर क्या कहा, जो भी मेरे बेटे को इस प्रिंस को पढ़ाएगा, आई विल रिवॉर्ड 1,000 गोल्ड कॉइन्स. ओके. मैनी ट्यूटर्स कैम टू टीच हिम बट फेल्ड. बहुत सारे उसको पढ़ाने के लिए आए टीचर्स, बहुत सारे लोग, बट एवरीबडी फेल्ड. द प्रिंस हैड एन ओल्ड सर्वेंट हुज सन नेम्ड सोहन looked after the king's pigeons. So what happened? King's old servant was there. Sorry, the prince. Okay. The prince had an old servant. उसका एक पुराना नौकर था. Whose son named सोहन, जिसके बेटे का नाम था सोहन. Looked after the king's pigeon. So that Sohan was looking after the king's pigeon. Sohan one day told the king that he would like to teach the prince. सोहन ने कहा, मैं अपने बेटे को मैं आपके बेटे को पढ़ाऊंगा. The king agreed as even the prince was very fond of Sohan. King also agreed because prince was fond of Sohan. He was playing with him. For a few days, Sohan did not teach the prince anything. Some days what happened, many days like that only went, Sohan did not teach the prince anything. The prince just helped Sohan to look after the royal pigeons. What happened? Prince was helping Sohan to look after the royal pigeons. Okay, the king's pigeon he was looking, and prince also helping to whom? Sohan. Sohan taught the prince how to feed and train the pigeons. Sohan taught whom? To prince he taught how to feed and train the pigeons. The prince enjoyed it all. प्रिंस को बहुत मज़ा आया. सोहन ने उसे सिखाया कैसे उसको खाना खिलाते हैं पिजन्स को, कैसे उनको ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है क्या करने के लिए. तो प्रिंस को बहुत मज़ा आया. One day the prince asked Sohan how many pigeons they had. So what happened? One day the prince asked to whom? To Sohan how many pigeons they had. हमारे पास कितने सारे pigeons हैं? किसने कहा? Prince. Sohan replied 100. Sohan reply किया 100. Then the prince asked, do we have more of white pigeons or the grey ones? Then again prince asked, हमारे पास white pigeons ज़्यादा है ना grey वाला? Then Sohan said, let us count them and find out. हम उनको count करेंगे और हम देखेंगे कि कितना है. This is how Sohan taught the prince how to count. सोहन ने बताया कि कैसे इसे काउंट करते हैं. द प्रिंस देन टोल्ड सोहन देयर वर 40 ग्रे एंड 60 वाइट्स. अगेन नाउ प्रिंस हैड काउंट एंड ही इज सेइंग दैट देर आर 40 ग्रे pigeons and 60 white pigeons. Then Sohan suggested, why don't we give them names? हम उनको नेम एक नाम दे देते हैं. The prince gladly agreed. Yes, क्यों नहीं, नाम देते हैं, चलो. Then again Sohan then choose names that begin with a vowel for the grey pigeons. तो सोहन ने क्या किया, vowels जो होता है A-E-I-O-U, you have learned in English 1. So that vowels, according to the vowels, Sohan gave the name to the grey pigeons. Then he chose names that begin with a consonant for the white ones. Consonant, you know, except A-E-I-O-U vowels, what are left? That are consonants. So to the white pigeons they had given the name with a starting letter of consonant. The prince thus learnt not only the alphabet but also the names. Then Sohan said, "Let us make a list of names of all the pigeons for the king." Gradually, the prince learned to write. Again, what happened? Prince uh, learned not only the alphabet but he learned the uh, name. So now he agreed to make a list of pigeons for the king. Then the king was very glad to see the list of the names. What happened? King was very happy because no one could teach prince anything, not a single thing, but this Sohan, not only he taught him to count and give names, vowels, and names means writing also he teached. The king was very glad to see the list of names that his son had written. See how cleverly Sohan taught the prince to read and write. So, Sohan was given the reward of 1,000 gold coins. Now, because Sohan had completed his work, because he taught the prince very cleverly. The prince then started going to school also. Prince started going to school because now he know everything. Slowly he developed interest in studies and became an excellent student. Prince became an excellent student. So, thought of the day is practice makes a man perfect. Okay. So understood? If any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.